Hello and welcome. In today's training, I'll be showing you how to compute annual and monthly loan repayment, giving the loan amount, the interest rate, the period of repayment. I'll be showing you how to use an Excel function to compute this. So let's go in. I have the loan amount here. This is the annual option and this is the monthly option. I have the loan amount, which is also the principal amount. The interest rate, which is 12%, is in percentage. I've already formatted it as a percentage. And the loan period, annual, this is 5 years. So I'll be using an Excel function to compute the annual amount that will be paid based on this loan amount given. Are you the one given the loan or you are the one receiving the loan? I'll show you how to compute the annual amount you will either be paying or receiving from the person you've given out the loan to. So let's go in. You input your formula by starting with the equal to. The PMT, the function PMT, is what I'll be using to compute it. It calculates the payment of loan based on constant payment and a constant interest rate. So I'll use this. First argument is rate, and I have my interest rate here. So I'll just select this cell. And the second argument is the period, which is the NPR. I'll select this, while the PV is the principal amount. So that's the loan amount. I'll select this. Right. So this is the major argument I need. These ones are optional. I can input it or I can leave it that way. So I'll be leaving it that way for the purpose of this training. So I'll close the bracket and enter. Wow. Now I have 1,387,048 naira 6597 cover, meaning that on an annual basis for a period of 5 years, this is the amount I'll either be paying or you will either be paying or receiving based on this loan amount, interest rate, and the period covered. Right. So let's go and compute on a monthly basis based on this same criteria that is available on the annual basis. So watch closely as I input the formula, still using the PMT formula. PMT. Now our rate is 12. Now this rate is an annual rate, but because we want to compute on a monthly basis, we divide the rate. You say divide by 12, right? Now, our period is 5 years. And because we want to compute on a monthly basis, we times the period by 12. Please have that in mind. The rate and the period has to be on the same basis. Remember when we did annually, our rate and period was on an annual basis. Here, we want to compute on a monthly basis. So you divide the rate by 12 times the period by 12, right? And your principal amount is constant. So you just select the cell that has your principal amount in it, and there you go. Enter. Good. Now we are having it in negative because there is an outflow. Money, you're giving out money. Money is leaving you to someone else, right? But if the money is coming to you and you want to see it in a positive format, all you need to do is just to come to the formula bar and equal to, then you put a minus sign before the PMT, and there you go. The same thing you can also do here. You put a minus sign before the PMT, and there you go. Right. So that is how you go about computing annual and monthly loan repayment amount. I believe we've gotten value from this. If we have, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more value tips. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.